Channel. Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig related content here, but I do a little bit of makeup, a little bit of car blogs where I talk about wig stuff, life stuff. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Today we have a wig review, and honestly, I was not going to do this wig until I tried one of the Neesha wigs, because I have never tried a Neesha wig before. And I tried a Neesha wig recently, and then I don't know. This one I've had for a while. It's been sitting around for a while. So it's one of my favorite companies. This is Model. And I have Miss Jordan here. Okay. And this is a lace parting wig. It's not a lace front. This is a deep, invisible lace parting wig. I have Miss Jordan in the color OF627613. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in quite a few colors, and I scooped her up from Glamour Chest for $15. So I'm going to tell you the thing that shied me away from this wig, and then why I'm wishing I would have tried her sooner, and I really love her. Partially, I didn't like the coloring. This is an older wig, so you can see the black is just sort of like painted on the top, but I think because of this really relaxed yucky texture, so long as you just put it in the right spot, it does work. Just initially from the bag it looked a little funky doodle. I'm not usually a fan of a very dark root with these lighter colors, but I think for this one it does work. Obviously it's older. I wish it was rooted all the way through. Like I said, you can kind of get her to where you want her, and then she's just gonna stay there, so I think it's totally fine. The other thing that I didn't like was when she was sitting on the wig head, she was super full. I thought almost too full. Once I got her on, she really likes to take to a round brush well, and I could really round brush train her, and I found that she really wasn't as full once I got her on as I thought she might be. Yeah, you can see like it doesn't go all the way through, but I think, you know, with this like curling around the face, yeah, it really does blend well on the top, and I really enjoy that. She's probably at the very longest about 18 or so inches long. I am 5'6.5". Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, see, that's really pretty. She really is giving me Neesha vibes. I've not tried the original Neesha. I've only have tried Neesha 202. It's a little bit shorter than this one. Jordan is a right-sided part. I don't feel like she's going to have much tangling. This is going to be like, it's a thicker wig, so this definitely isn't like, you know, hot summer day type of wig. I think she'd be great in like a normal color. I think then you wouldn't have to worry about if this really bothers you. Like, it doesn't really bother me, but for some people this would. If you just got her in a solid color, then you wouldn't even have to worry about that. I really like the lace parting wigs. I opened the part up just a tiny bit, not a ton though. Wig cap is comfortable. I would not say that it's a large wig cap. Not getting any shedding or tangling. I'm really happy. I wish I would have tried her sooner. Probably gonna wear her to work tomorrow. I think she looks super cute. Yeah, and like a low ponytail situation. Yeah, I really enjoy this wig. Do you have Jordan? And if so, which color do you have? What do you think of her? Is there another model wig you would like me to review? Please put that down below. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.